Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today the date is 8 July 2020 and again here we are with our chapter number now. We have studied two rule under this chapter. Now we are going to start rule 3. Okay, so what is rule 3 here? If at the end of any word or any singular noun, if at the end of any singular noun there is y, then you will add s or ies at the last of that word or in that singular form to make it plural. Again I am telling you, if at the end of any singular noun y is there, then you will write s or ies to make it plural. ठीक है. Under rule 3 there are also two rules in rule 3. What are these rules? First and second. First rule is, if there is vowel before y, if there is vowel before y, then we will add s to make that singular into plural. And if there is consonant before y, then we will add or we will write I instead of y and we will write es to make it plural in that word. Now I am giving you some examples. By this you can make this concept more clear. Like first is vowel. Like I am writing here boy, boy, boy. ठीक है. Now before y, see in the last y is there, and I told you before y if there is vowel. Now see here it is o, before y it is o. Now o is vowel, so what we will write? We will write boys, boys, means we will add only s. ठीक है बेटा, understood? Take one more example. Like day, day, day. Now see before y what is there? A, and a is vowel, and if a is vowel, now what we will change in the plural? We will write or we will add s. Like day, day full spelling we will write, then we will add s. Means you have to check every time. If there is y at the end of any word, firstly you will check before y what is there. If vowel is there, then you will simply add s. Firstly you will maintain full spelling and then you will simply add s. ठीक है. Now let us discuss the second rule. If consonant will be there before y, if there is consonant before y, then what is the change in plural? Like first example is आर्मी. ठीक है बच्चा, आर्मी, ARMY, आर्मी. Now see y is there, so we'll write ARMYS. No, that will be wrong. So firstly we have to check before y what is there? M. Before y what is there? M. Now M is vowel or consonant? Yes, this is consonant. ठीक है, this is consonant. If there is consonant, what we have to change? Firstly we will maintain ARM. Y we will not write, but we will write instead of y I, and after I what we have to add? ES. So we will write ES, or simply you can say that if there is consonant before y, then you will not write y, you will remove y to make it plural and you will write IES instead of y. Armies. Okay, so let us discuss some more example by which you can understand. Like first is boy. Now before y what is there? O. O is vowel, so we will write BOYS, boys. Easy. Next is TOY, toy. Now before y what is there? O. O is again vowel, so we will write STOYS, toys. Next is day, day. Before y, what is there? A. A is vowel. So what we will change? We will just add s, days. ठीक है. Next, monkey, monkey. See what is there? E before y. So E is also vowel. So what we will change? We will just add s, monkeys. See, I have written the full spelling of monkey, then I have add s. ठीक है, monkeys. This is clear. Before y, if there is vowel, we will write the full spelling, then we will add s. Next beta, cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Now see, before y what is there? R. R is not vowel, this is consonant. So what we will add? We will not write y, we will maintain CHERR, then we will write IES. So what will become? Cherries. Cherry, cherries. Cherry is one, cherries are more than one. Okay. Next is army, ARMY. Now see, before y what is there? M. M is consonant. So we will add IES, armies. ठीक है बच्चा. Next is puppy, Y is there. Before Y, P is there. So P is there, so what we will write? Puppies. Means Y we will not write. Instead of Y, we will write IES, puppies. I hope this is clear beta. This is very easy. ठीक है.